If you've ever wanted to easily mention a Jira issue in a comment, but weren't sure of the exact steps, you're in the right place. In this quick but thorough tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to tag or link a specific Jira work item right in your comments. By the end, you'll be able to collaborate smoothly with your team, referencing exactly the issues you need and making your conversations much clearer. Let's dive in. First things first. You need to locate the Jira issue you want to comment on. Think of this like finding the correct discussion thread before you leave your thoughts. If you're working from your dashboard, you might see a list of your assigned tasks right away, but if not, use the search or filters to find the issue in question. Take a moment here. It's easy to comment in the wrong place by mistake, especially if you have lots of tabs open. Double-check that the summary and identifier at the top match what you expect. Once you're looking at the right work item, it's time to add your comment. Scroll down to the bottom of the issue's main section. You'll see a comment text area, usually underneath any existing conversation. Go ahead and click inside that field. Notice the formatting options often appear above the box, things like bold, italics, and attachments. For now, we're focusing just on mentioning another work item, but remember, you can mix these together as you need. Here where the magic happens. If you want to mention another Jira issue, you have a couple of options. One classic way is to simply type the work key, that's the project abbreviation followed by a dash and a number like PROJ217. This is Jira's unique way of identifying a ticket. Typing this in usually autolinks to the referenced issue once the comment is posted, but there's an even smoother method. Try typing a /, then the word work, and Jira will often prompt you to insert or create a new work item or to link an existing one. In some setups, you might instead see a small chain link icon or a plus button near the comment box. Click this, and you can search or select the exact work item you'd like to reference without worrying about typos. This feature is a real time saver, especially if your project uses long or confusing issue keys. As you add your mention, pause for a second and check that Jira has recognized it. Often you'll see the work item become a clickable link or appear highlighted in blue. This means your teammates can jump directly to that issue from your comment, which really increases productivity and keeps the conversation focused. Now, don't forget to actually submit your comment. When you're ready, look for the Save or Add button below the comment field. Give it a click. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Jira sometimes needs a second to update the conversation. Once it's posted, your comment complete with the mentioned issue is visible to the whole team. And that's it. You've successfully mentioned a Jira issue in your comment. It might feel like a small thing, but these clear references can really streamline team communication, making sure everyone's looking at the same work and nothing slips through the cracks. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any Jira questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy commenting.